Hi, welcome back to the workshop, and today we have got another brand new product. Now, if you have bought our wonderful double O gauge PJM platform kits with the brick facing, now they are available with the concrete facing, aren't they?
That's right, yeah. So we've gone for a modern style of facing on them. So this is what we're calling the lintel design, because they've got concrete lintels that sit underneath the edge here, and then big concrete supports that go onto the main brick facings for them as well. It's another nice modern platform design which moves on from what we've done currently with the block edge and brick edges. And the beauty of them is that even if you've already got the original style and you fancy a different style, you can add these on to it as well, because that does happen on the rear railway as well.
Now, I need to ask, Mike, we've got some 3D printed items over here. What exactly is this and where does it go?
Right, so these platforms, the design originated with the Milton Keynes platforms that PJM designed for Pete Walton's making track layout. And what happened there is they actually ended up putting scaffolding underneath some of the edges of the platforms to help support the edge of the platform in place of the concrete lintels. So what we've done is we've done the standard kit for this lintel platform, brings you all the parts you need to do the lintel design on both sides, so with the concrete lintels underneath like this. Or you can buy an extra add-on pack which has a full set of the scaffolding 3D printed sections and replacement blocks to go into the platform face, which means you can then line up a full row of 3D printed scaffolding underneath the edge of your platform, just like this.
You can build your own miniature Milton Keynes, really.
You can indeed. And then, like I said, even like before with the original platform design we did, how you can use these to extend it, you can do the same with these kits as well. So you could, for example, you could have the lintels on a couple of lengths of your platform, then you could have another length with the scaffolding underneath. So you can mix and match all these now to develop any style of platform you want from our current range. And then to really take things another step further, we've also got a lintel designed ramp section as well, which matches in perfectly with this. And you'll notice here it's got little extensions on that, so it actually matches up with the design of these, so you can have a continuous lintel all the way along underneath from one end of your platform to the other. So it just fits in just like that.
They really are fantastic. Now, when it comes to the availability of these, are we selling them singly or in packs like we do with everything else?
So it'll be the same format as we did with the first batch. So you'll be able to buy a single length 450 millimeters long of the straight platform, or you'll be able to buy a triple pack of that, which will give you, I think it's 1,350 millimeters in total length. The ramps will come in pairs, so you'll be able to buy a packer with a pair of ramps in it. And then the optional scaffolding 3D printed kit here with the extra pieces, that comes in a pack all of its own, which you can add on if you want to the basic platform kit.
Lovely. Now, somebody is bound to ask, is this also available as a terminus?
It's not, no. So we've kept the terminus section is currently only available in the block and the brick edging as we've done so far. So this is a small extension to our range of platforms. Like I say, it's the straight sections, either in single or triple packs, the ramps, and also the scaffolding pack as well.
Look, these do look amazing, and having built these platforms ourselves for the £500 challenge, of course, they are very, very simple to build, and they look incredible, don't they?
This they do. They go so well. And there's one little thing you'll need to do once you've finished them. You need a little bit of standard wood filler just to go into these little pinholes. They locate where the inner structure of the platform is. You just fill those in with a little bit of filler, sand that off, and you get a lovely smooth platform finish to finish it off.
Absolutely. So anybody who is out there modelling the modern era, these platforms are definitely for you. Now, before we go, something over there has caught my eye. What is that over on the
so this is our next piece of our platform jigsaw. So this is a new kit from PJM Models. It will be coming soon on the Key Model World shop. It models Thirsk Station on the East Coast main line. It was originally developed for Richard Watson's New Junction layout, and it's now going to be available from the Key Model World shop as a kit. That will be coming in February to the Key Model World shop.
Fantastic. So there you go. Station buildings and more modern platforms. What more could you possibly want?
Absolutely. So in terms of pricing, ramps, they're £7.99 for a pack of ramps, £10.99 for a single length of platform, £29.99 for a triple pack of platforms. Then we've got the scaffolding pack alongside that as well for a small additional charge.
Fantastic. And if they're anything to go off with our original platforms, they're probably going to sell very quickly. So get your order in right now. I mean, we will keep making more, but they do fly out very quickly.
They certainly do, yes. Yeah, but these are always in stock. We keep them coming back in each time they sell out as well. And we've got more plans for the future as well. So if you're looking for a particular style platform, do let us know in the comments and we'll keep an eye on those for future.